calm down. Don't worry. You will see husband. You know, you dey pack well. You dey package well. No worry, yeah, my sister. No, see, you get this baba here. Why they carry you?
Will you keep quiet?
This baba will solve your problem. Everything, I think will solve your problem. Yeah.
Is it so powerful?
Don't worry yourself.
Very powerful.
See, don't worry. Oh.
Jesus!
Dodorimo. Yes! You are sanitized! You know they take Corona play this time.
Yes, sir.
What brings you to my humble abode?
I thought you want to you want to say we have Corona here, but.
Oh, is this fine girl? Talk to me, because
this fine girl, yeah, she's actually my sister. She's my sister, and since me, I don't tire to see her for house. I don't tire to see her for house. Make she marry, come on for house. Anyone wey come, she go say this one the thing too small. Make you widen her, make she see a man wey she go marry. I beg.
Me, I don't tire to sit down for house now.
Shut up, you two dey select. I beg you.
Have you checked Instagram?
Check everywhere.
Imagine,
have you checked Facebook?
Everywhere.
Have you checked Snapchat?
I've checked everywhere.
Hey.
Have you checked your WhatsApp?
I've checked everywhere now.
What about your landlord's son?
I've checked him. He's not active.
There is
Not.
But
Shut up. Keep quiet. Now you see what I'm saying. I don't understand all this. I don't understand all this. Imagine you.
The gods have spoken. The God ministered to me.
That.
Now me go marry her.
God forbid.
Now true I tell you, not get destiny again. Now me go marry her.
I better stay for my papa house.
You understand? It's not me that the gods have spoken. No.
Oh. I hope you remember the road. Whoa, follow
Yes, brother.
the rest more they go.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
Idiot! You don't check everywhere and don't see husband. Obanje, come and marry you. Please like our comedy. Thank you for watching Crazy Tickers Comedy. Please like our comedy.
Please share.
I don't tell